Hello everyone and welcome in our new video. We will learn how to make a cartoon who has a scary face, a big smile on his face, white teeth and big ears. Firstly we'll start by drawing his head and his huge ears, and after performing the steps as shown in the video, we will color the drawing as shown in the video with different shades of colors. Moving on to the next drawing of today's video, we will learn how to make a cute rabbit. The rabbit, you must know, is from the story of the turtle and the rabbit. Hereby the rabbit is sleeping on the road while the turtle wins the race. Firstly we'll draw the body of the rabbit, and then we'll also draw the land on which he is sleeping, and we can see the rabbit is snoring in sleep. After completing the drawing, we will color it by different shades of colors. Moving on to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn how to make a really cute cartoon who looks like number 1. As we know, the cartoon looks like the number 1. We will of course start with drawing the number 1, and then we will perform the steps as shown in the video to make the cartoon, and then we will color the cartoon with various shades of different colors as shown in the video, and the cartoon is ready. Proceeding forward to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn how to make a pig who is laying on the ground. Firstly, we'll draw the body of the pig, which is quite big, and then the small eyes and the big nose, making the face of the pig. And after performing the steps as shown in the video, after making the drawing, we will color it by different shades of colors as shown in the video, and we will also draw the shadow of the pig. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn how to make a cute cartoon who looks like a vegetable. We will firstly start by drawing the head of the cartoon, which is almost same as a vegetable. Then we will draw the eyes and the body and the hands of the cartoon, and after drawing it, we will color it with different shades of color as shown in the video, and the cartoon is hereby ready. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn how to make two cute cartoons who are playing with each other. There are hearts in the air. The cartoons are playing hide and seek, as we can see in the drawing. We will firstly draw the cartoon behind the wall and then the cartoon in front of the wall, and after performing the steps as shown in the video, we will color it. Moving on to the next drawing of today's video, we will learn how to make a cute tiny cartoon who is blowing a heart in the air. Firstly, we'll draw his round face and then the body of the cartoon, and then we'll draw the eyes and then the heart which he is blowing in the air, and after performing the steps, we'll color it. Moving forward to the last drawing of today's video, we can learn how to make a cute cartoon with balloon all over his head. Firstly, we'll draw the body of the cartoon and then his cute eyes, his small smile and the balloons. Thank you for watching the video.